I am going to be doing a tutorial today on how to make basic changes in Squarespace. Nothing too crazy, just pretty much simple text edits or how to swap out an image. So let's get started. So first things first, you need to log into Squarespace. So here you can see, this is my dashboard. These are all the different sites that I have access to. So I'm going to use Ash Beauty Lounge for my example today. So I'm going to click in. And now I'm going to be into the editing mode for this particular website. So as you can see, as I'm rolling over things, I'm getting different things popping up that will allow me to make edits. So, Squarespace is a templated system. It's very plug and play. However, you can also do a lot of really amazing customization through custom code, HTML, CSS, and all of that good stuff. But for today, we're going to keep it really easy and simple. So this image up here would be considered a banner. The difference is it spans all the way across as opposed to this image down here, which actually is just like a placed image. Here we've got some reviews. But anyway, so let's just say I want to edit the text on this top banner. I'm going to move my mouse until it hovers right up here. It says intro. And then I'm going to click on edit. From here, okay, you can see these plus things. If I were to click on those, that would add a new element. These are all the different elements, but I'm not going to get into that today because, like I said, I'm keeping this one really simple, just changing text and images. So here, if I want to change this text, I just click on it, and it's just a normal text editor. So say I change my text. And then if I want to make something bold or italic or add a link, all of these features are right here. If I wanted to change the styling of the font, I would adjust these. But again, this is already getting a little bit more complicated than I wanted to get with this specific tutorial. So from here, I'm going to click save. Or if I wanted to say that I did something and by accident I wasn't happy with it, then I would just click cancel. And it would go back to how it was previously. Same thing for the button. So because the button is still within this same section, if I click edit, I can select the button and then it's going to pull up another edit, or I could delete it, but I don't want to do that. Click edit, and then here it's going to give me my options as far as what the text on the button is going to say. So I could change that if I'd like to, or then this is going to be the link. So this / book online, that's the name of the page that it's going to take you to. If I click over on design, I can choose the size of the button or the alignment. And the reason that the color and the text changed is because I have the buttons styled, I've already styled the buttons differently. So large is always going to look like this, medium has a different look, and small has a different look. Once I've made any changes that I want, so here, I changed this, I'm going to actually put it back to book now, since this website is finished, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit save again. So that is how you would make some basic text edits or edit the text on a button. Now I'm going to go down here and change this image. So again, things are popping up as I roll over different sections, and so you can see this says reviews. So this whole section is called reviews because it starts with reviews and then there's the image below. So you can see that it goes gray as a way of highlighting it. So I'm going to click on edit, and then from here, if I wanted to make edits to this, that's a whole separate thing. I'm not getting into that right at this moment, but if I want to edit this image, I can select it, hit edit, and then my image editor comes up, and there's some options over here. So I can either remove it, I can adjust where the caption's displayed, but I don't want to do that. Let's just say I just want to switch this out. I'm going to do remove image, and then I can either add something from my own computer or I can search for images. I'm going to do that one for now just for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm just going to choose this at random and then click add to site. And you're going to see this new image pops up. I'm going to want to name the file. Naming the files is important for SEO, so I'll do something that includes some keywords for this particular site. And if I want it to link somewhere else, I would put the link here, but for the sake of this, I just wanted an image, it's not a link, it doesn't have to take you anywhere. And then under the design section, you have some more options again. This is all just, nice to play around with. But since I actually don't want to switch it to this, I'm going to go up here. If I wanted to save it, I could hit save, but instead I'm going to hit cancel to demonstrate that it will take you actually back to the way that it was before. So that's about it for this one. Again, like I said, I wanted to keep it extremely simple and easy, nothing crazy. And I'm going to continue to create more Squarespace tutorials and get into some of the more complicated stuff. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to shoot me an email to hello@gretchenkamp.com. And that's it. Thanks.